Welcome back. In this video, you'll be learning how to enable text message notifications on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So if you're not receiving any message notifications, the first step to do in order for you to receive them or to be able to see that you have them is to simply open the Settings app. From here, you want to scroll and select Notifications and then tap on the option App Notifications. From here, scroll through the apps list until you find your messaging app. Look for the toggle next to it and tap on the toggle like that to turn it on. If you've set your default messaging app to Samsung Messages, then that's the one that you'll enable. If you've set it to Google Messages, you can also go ahead and enable that as well. And so now, whenever you receive any messages on your tablet, then you can see that the notification has successfully appeared. So now, whenever you want to check if you have any message notifications, you can just swipe down for the quick settings panel and you can see them listed right there. And so that's how you can enable any text message notifications on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.